Top 10. Case diameter 44 millimeters, case thickness 17.05 millimeters, movement with 50-hour power reserve, scratch resistant sapphire crystal, water resistant depth to 30 meters. Top 9. Self-winding movement with peripheral oscillating weight, balanced spring and escape wheel and silicone. Chapter ring with Roman numerals on a sapphire ring, running seconds on the tourbillon shaft. Sapphire case back, water resistant depth is 30 meters, case diameter 41 millimeters. Top 8. Marine rest watch, self-winding movement with weight, balance, spring, lever and escape while in silicone. Sapphire case back with oscillating weight, hand engraved on a Rouge engine, water resistant to 50 meters, case diameter 33.8 millimeters. Top 7. Case diameter is 33.8 millimeters, case material is stainless steel bezel set with 60 diamonds, blue liquor dial, luminous or markers and markings, sapphire case back, screw locked crown, blue alligator leather strap, automatic movement, functions date, hours, minutes, seconds, water resistant to 50 meters. Top 6. Classic desk watch and 18 karat gold, self-winding movement with date indication, silicone balance spring, lever and escape while, sapphire crystal case back, water resistant depth is 30 meters, case diameter is 38 millimeters, power reserve is 50 hours, escapement Swiss straight. Top 5. Self-winding movement showing the date, balance spring and silicone, dial and gold, hand engraved on a Rouge engine, off center chapter ring second subdial, sapphire case back, water resistant to 30 meters, case diameter is 39 millimeters, power reserve is 45 hours, oscillating weight 22 carats, number of components 236. Top 4. self-winding, extra thin movement with date, power reserve indicator and faces and edge of the moon, balance spring and silicone dial and gold, hand engraved on a rose engine, capture case back, water resistant depth is 30 meters, case diameter is 39 millimeters. Power reserve is 46 hours. Top 3. Bezel and dial flange set with 117 diamonds, self-winding movement, balance spring and escape coil and silicone. Sapphire case back, water resistant depth is 30 meter, case diameter 36.5 millimeters, power reserve is 45 hours. Escapement Swiss straight line lever silicone. Top 2. Simple clean nice watch for a reasonable price. The watch itself is fantastic, gorgeous style, brilliant to watch, well suited to formal and everyday wear, excellent timepiece, great piece, incredibly affordable and just love this brand. Top 1. Bezel and dial flange set with 143 diamonds, self-winding movement, balance depicting the sun integrated with a day-night indicator, balance spring and silicone, silver gold dial, hand engraved on a rose